Robotics in IT security. How robots are helping in cybersecurity. Welcome to today's exciting video. If you're in the world of IT and cybersecurity, you know how quickly threats evolve. What if we told you that robots are now playing a major role in helping protect our digital world? Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening now. In this video, we are diving into robotics in IT security and exploring how robots are transforming cybersecurity practices. What is cybersecurity and why it's critical? Before we jump into the role of robots, let's first understand the challenge. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks can cause devastating losses, from stolen data to major business disruptions. And the threats are evolving at an alarming rate. Every single day, cybercriminals develop new ways to breach security systems. This is where robots come in. The traditional methods of cybersecurity are becoming less effective against these advanced, fast-moving threats. Introduction to robotics in cybersecurity. Enter robotics. In today's world, robots aren't just about assembling cars or cleaning your floors. They are now a crucial part of cybersecurity defense systems. Robotics, combined with artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, is enabling faster detection, more accurate responses, and even autonomous actions when it comes to cyber threats. Robots in IT security are designed to monitor systems 24/7, detect threats, and respond in real time. They have the ability to analyze large volumes of data and identify patterns that would be nearly impossible for humans to catch in such a short time. How robots help in cybersecurity. So, what exactly do robots do in IT security? Well, here are a few key ways they help. 1. Automated threat detection. Robots are designed to continuously monitor for abnormal activities across the network. They use machine learning to detect patterns that indicate potential threats such as malware, phishing attempts, or even ransomware. 2. Rapid response to cyber attacks. Robots don't wait around. When a threat is detected, they can take immediate action, isolating affected systems, blocking malicious traffic, and even initiating countermeasures like patching vulnerabilities. 3. Data encryption and integrity checks. Robots can handle encryption tasks to secure sensitive data. They also constantly check the integrity of data and applications, ensuring no unauthorized changes have been made. 4. Reducing human error. Humans are prone to mistakes, especially under pressure. Robots, however, don't get tired, stressed, or distracted. They ensure consistent, error-free security operations around the clock. 5. Vulnerability management. Robots are capable of identifying software vulnerabilities and even suggesting fixes. They can automate the patching process, ensuring systems remain up to date and secure. Advantages of using robots in cybersecurity. Let's talk about why integrating robots into cybersecurity is such a game changer for IT security teams. 1. Speed and efficiency. Robots can process huge amounts of data at lightning speed, finding vulnerabilities and threats faster than any human could. This helps minimize the damage caused by cyber attacks. 2. Cost-effective security. The cost of a breach can be astronomical. By automating many cybersecurity tasks, robots can reduce operational costs and free up human experts to focus on more complex security issues. 3. Scalability. As businesses grow, so does the complexity of their IT security needs. Robots can scale quickly to handle increasing amounts of traffic, data, and security tasks. 4. Advanced analytics. Robots use AI-powered algorithms to spot even the most subtle threats, which can be overlooked by traditional security systems. Real-world examples of robotics in cybersecurity. Many companies are already leveraging robotics in their IT security operations. For example, companies like Darktrace and CrowdStrike use AI-powered robots to continuously monitor and defend against threats in real time. These systems help detect anomalies and deploy automated defense mechanisms. Challenges and ethical considerations. While robotics is revolutionizing cybersecurity, there are challenges. For instance, ethical concerns arise about the autonomous decision-making of robots. How much control should they have in sensitive cybersecurity matters? What if an automated decision impacts legitimate systems or data? Conclusion. So, as we've seen, robots are playing an increasingly crucial role in cybersecurity. They're faster, more efficient, and better equipped to handle the evolving landscape of cyber threats. The future of cybersecurity is definitely looking robotic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.